I am personally scared of downloading video games on Steam and other places because as a game developer, I know the power I have and other developers have over your computer once you download a game and install it. I'm going to show you some basic information of sort of what a game actually is able to do. So if you don't do any game development, but you actually just play video games, I think this video is going to be kind of interesting to you. And this is something I'm going to showcase in Unreal Engine, and Unity and other places can of course do the same thing as this. So if I go to the plugins folder, I can enable something called the Blueprint File Utilities. And this is a blueprint library that enables low-level file operations. So I can move, copy, delete, and find different files. So I'm going to check this and then restart. What this does now is to give me access to new blueprint nodes that I can use to do file manipulation with. So if I go in here and type key, I can just set a key binding to when I press the E key on the keyboard, something's going to happen. And from here I can do file util, and it's going to find the new plugin we just added. We can copy files, we can move files. I don't think you can rename anything in particular in here, but you can make directories and stuff. So if I just go ahead and do file exists, what I can do is I can go to the command prompt here. I'm just going to do cd to downloads, and then just do dir, and we can see that I currently have a file in here called hello-youtube.txt. Basically what I'm doing is to just go in here and showing you this. I have a text file called hello-youtube.txt. It doesn't contain anything, it's just a file. But what I can actually do is I can get access to this file. So I'm just going to copy this path over here, file name, and then we can do /, let's add the text file name here. And I can now check and see if this file exists. So let's do that. And this will print true or false depending on if the file actually exists. So I'm going to compile, save, and if I now press the E key on the keyboard, it says true because it exists. And what I can then do is I can, again, go here and we can do file, delete, and we can delete the file. And we can just basically take the same name here and we can do a branch. So what we can do here is we can do, if this file exists, we can remove the file. And we can remove it even if it's read-only, so we can override the existing information there. And we can do this one, which is basically if it exists, we can override it. And compile, save, press the E key on the keyboard, and as you can see, the file is gone. Scary stuff. So be very careful when you're downloading games. Make sure that you trust the person that you're actually downloading the game from.